Okay, this is for the grandson. We're going to do the 2007 Honda V6 Accord. Basically the trick is, of course, you want to do jack stand, jacks, wheel chock down the back end there. He already knows that kind of stuff. Teach them young to do safety. We got our pan, our filter's already off. So what we do is we cock the wheel a little bit. And then right here, you can see where the filter went. You see the stub coming out. It's all been cleaned up. Everything dripped nicely down there. You just, take a rag and clean up the little drip. And then, next step, we use a Honda factory filter. Notice the high quality, by the way. And it's got the washer there for the oil nut. And then around that black washer, you want to take a little bit of your regular new oil, just so you don't mess up the gasket when you put it back on. Spins on, spins off, normal stuff. But that's really a trick for the Honda. And then put your pan underneath and pull your drain plug, which I'll do next. All I did was take a little bit of the new oil on my finger and put it around this gasket here. Very simple. Make sure you hold on to your crush washer there for the oil nut, and we get a drain underneath. Okay, from underside vantage point, you can see the filter there now, drip pan there, and right here is your oil nut, and it tells you engine oil, tells you that right there. So there's your nut, 17 millimeter. Crack that open, let it drain out, take the top off cap, and let it drain fully. Put it back on when you're done draining, and if you're not in a hurry, let it drain a lot. And then pretty much top off, put it down, check your fluid level up top, and then you're done. Top off. I like this big pan I have, is I want to make sure that when you're working with synthetic oil and it's warm, when you take this nut off, it's going to come rolling out. So you want to angle it down to catch it and not get it all over the ground. And you'll see this happen. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. See how it spins and rolls. So if you put it too close where you think it's going to drip, guess what? It's going on the ground, then you got an environmental mess. You got to clean it up because you want to be good for the earth. And you would use sand, cat litter, all that stuff, and then dispose of it properly. Here, we're going to take all this used oil and drop it off at Walmart at the Auto Center, and they love recycled oil because they actually get money for it. So, anyway, there you go, coming out quick. It's starting to drip a little bit closer, so then you just bring your pan back. But again, it's just liquid. You're just capturing it. Make sure you're not going to do anything with the environment, and that's about it. Pretty much reverse order, and you're good to go. Okay, grandson, here's the oil thingy. What does it say? 5W20. We want to verify on the oil is 5W20. Here we're using high mileage full synthetic. This is a 3.0 liter. The other cars we work on in the family are 2.0 and 1.6. They take less oil than the V6. So the V6 will take almost this whole 5-quart container. Okay, and then we're going to use a funnel. And then we're going to pour in at least 4 quarts, let it settle, take a reading on the stick, almost fill it up. And then once we drop the car off the lift, then we'll turn it on, let it flow, and then after a couple minutes, stop it, and then check the oil again, and make sure we top it off to the top place on the dipstick, which you already know how to do that. So if not, there you go. You pull it out, and you look. And you see the 2 marks and the crosshatch. You want to go to right here. Okay, yeah, mark, yeah, right there. There you go. Piece of cake. Mind your mother, she does sometimes misses that. Since I've told you on the side of the bottle, you'll see how far it is. So we've put in 2 quarts, and we're going to go down to basically here. We have a quart left, and then we'll finish up and top it off.